Okay, just about to jet wash the patio. I've just purchased a new AVA P50 Smart extra large bundle jet washer. As you can see, it's very useful in terms of what it says in the pictures. That's what it looks like as a final picture. And so here's the completed unit. As you can see, lots of constructions, very easy to assemble, very handy and easy to maneuver as well. It's got wheels on it. By the way, I'm not sponsored by AVA by any means, but this is a really handy gadget I decided to purchase. And for the jet washer ticking, as you can see, that's what it looks like. That's the bottom of it. That's to clean the patio in particular. With a nice brush set, a nice sort of like a jet wash handle, and let's come on. Just so you know, before I started the actual jet wash process, I sort of like got a watering can and put some Jace fluid in there just to dampen the surface, make sure the Jace fluid sort of like sits in the sort of like the tiling area, just to move the dirt around a little bit, and then we start the actual process. Completed patio. Obviously wet at the moment, let it dry, but overall done a fantastic job. And these little marks here, as you can see, are just sort of like part of the actual tiling slabs, as we would say, paving slabs. Just done a fantastic job. Now it's all nice and dry. This is the end result.